Okay, let's begin the TIXATI high speed configuration. I have Windows 8. Where is my TIXATI here? I open TIXATI. It is TIXATI home. It is transfer. Okay, first of all we have to go setting. Then we need to improve network connections. Actually I have now current speed is 56 to 70 kbps, but I am downloading in 110-15 over. The reason is encrypted tunnel over UDP. I am going on setting, then connections, outgoing peer connection encryption, encrypted preferred. I can use encrypted only, but it is not better for searching sheets and announce trackers. That's why I am selected here encrypted prefer. Then incoming peer connection encryption encrypted only. So ISP cannot filter my traffic because I am using incoming connection protocol UDP only. So another best option is UDP greater than TCP. It will accept more than so many UDP connection than TCP. I mean, it will allow both UDP and TCP, but more prefer to use UDP. I am using UDP only. Outgoing peer connection protocol, it is greater than UDP greater than TCP. It is better. It is by default value. It is also by default. Then I can use IPv6, IPv6 prefer, IPv4 only, no issue. If I use IPv6 prefer, it will use Teredo, IPv6 pocket tunneling over IPv4 UDP in encrypted form. And here is the DST network. Startup DST mode on. DST mode for normal transfer, make only search only, then transfer also search only. You can only download, you cannot announce from here. Okay, then you can change incoming port. By default it is 1200 something, then I change it a little bit more than default value. It is UDP TCP port for peer connections, and it is for distributed hash table searching and announce both the things. So I change previous value. So ISP cannot track this port number. Okay, you can change and exit TIXATI, then restart TIXATI. It will accept a new configuration. Okay, thanks for watching. Here is okay, just go on bandwidth, then incoming make high 9999, whatever it accept, type there, and outgoing connection 2 kbps. It is only for announcing tracker, and it is for torrent download health only. So I am giving only 2 kbps, but I am accepting unlimited download. That's why I can save my bandwidth, uploading bandwidth. So I am just using downloading only. So my high bandwidth is till 150 kbps, and uploading is only 2-3 kbps. Now I am going in tracker. Here is the details, how many pieces available, and file property, downloading, seeding. This is the current speed now, and it is maximum speed. Outgoing this 0.13 kbps, now working in 2 kbps. DST online 468 node are connected in my system through TCP and UDP, normally encrypted connections. 351565 kilobyte is remaining, total this one. available these copies, and the average download speed is this one now, and the file is this one. If you have so many files inside this torrent, you can skip from here also. If you require only one special file, you can skip another and check the required file. I will leave later. Tracker, this is the special tracker from torrent side. Here is the peer connection, how many peer are connected. It is TCP, it is locked, encrypted. This TCP, trying to connect now, it is not encrypted. This is encrypted, totally encrypted connection. This is the pieces downloading from this IP address with this port number. The bandwidth incoming and outgoing, event log, how many tracker are connected, announce period, timeout, DHT shorts, TTL, everything, options. These are the basic things. The comment is not given. Okay, thanks for watching.